stop guessing on how to make 67 in Infinite Craft. This is exactly how you craft it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they give you massive 50-step combinations that are a total waste of time and lead to dead ends. Before we enter the crafting grid, you need to understand the logic of numerical compounding, or you'll just get stuck with random items again. Here at Rexish, we know you want to complete your number collection right now, so we're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail. This recipe is designed to test your ability to stack prime numbers, but the secret trick that other creators missed is that starting with the year element is the fastest shortcut to hit high numbers instantly. You need to combine 2024 with 2024 to get 4048, and then keep dividing or subtracting by small integers until you isolate the 60 and 7 blocks. The most efficient path is combining the number 50 with the number 17, which you get by splitting larger date elements. This method clears the elemental bottleneck and tells the Infinite Craft engine to generate the specific 67 block instantly without any technical headaches. This is the fastest way to hit the target and makes your crafting library feel snappy and reliable again. Rexish is dedicated to finding the simplest paths to solve these Infinite Craft combinations so you can stay creative and stress-free. If you want the recipe for 68 or the secret to crafting any specific prime number, just leave a comment below.